Well, I chose Rethink Electric because I figured it was a time for a change in my life. I been through some knucklehead stuff. I was a teenager, of course. You go through your teenage years and whatnot, and I really didn't focus too much on starting a career. So at this point in my life, it's never too late. Is what my new outlook on life is. So that's the reason why I wanted to open, a new window and expand my horizons as to where I'm gonna go and what, the possibilities are endless. You can achieve a lot, and there's a lot of room for growth in the company. So I appreciate that. I've been with Rethink Electric for about 7 months now, and I can honestly say it's surely but steadily going uphill. It's a step-by-step, day-by-day thing. I like doing what I do, and the fellas are great, as are the ladies. Everybody's it's like a tight-knit family environment, so that goes a long way in my book. It makes me comfortable, and it's reassuring that people actually care about you as a person and not just what you can do for them. My typical day consists of getting on a job site. As soon as I get on the job site, I know what I'm doing. I know what has to be done on the job site because we do have a platform where we can assess and evaluate, the projects before we start. So once I get to the job site, I have my plan of action set, and my crew is great. They help out a lot. They know what they're doing. As for the new guys, that's all part of growth. You come in, you got guys that are experienced, and we are not gonna just order you around. We're gonna help you to learn stuff. So feel free to ask if you don't know. You gotta, like they say, closed mouths don't get fed. So you have to collaborate with each other, and that's part of teamwork. The most exciting part about the work I do is that I'm doing something positive. We're helping the environment. We're creating a whole new field for jobs for everybody across the nation. This is not just Chicago or the suburbs of Illinois type of thing. This is going on everywhere. It's a new form of renewable energy. So that's the future, and that kick right there kind of like jumpstarts you and motivates you. It's like, okay, I'm doing something, and it's going to be a long-standing job. It's not going to be something that's going to go out of style or a passing fad. It's going on, and this is where the country and the world are going. So that's what makes me proud and happy to be part of Rethink.